My face stay getting oily. It's like I can never powder my face too much, y'all. So, you stumbled upon my video. I'm glad you made it to my bedroom. First of all, we're just freaking friends. But anyways, let's have a conversation. But let me start first. I want to ask you a question. Did radio actually kill the video star? That's the question of this video. And the reason why I start off this video with this question is because, recently the power went off where I'm at. And it's so crazy because like sometimes I want to like not share my location, but tell everybody like briefly where I'm from. Like, oh yeah, I'm from Blanktown. Yay, Blanktown representing. Or should I not? I don't really want people to like, get me. Like I don't want to get got by nobody for real. But I'll just say in Texas. In Texas, the power out. Oh, wait, in Texas, the power goes out a lot. So like it was dark and the internet was off, and I was like, dang. And then like literally, I was reading the book about digital marketing, and then like everything just went off. So I was like, okay, now I have to like conserve my energy on my phone and really take time to like gather my things, grab the candles. And like, my mother recently bought me a little radio. I guess I should show it to y'all. Why not? This tiny little thing. Oh yeah, let me take these glasses off because like they're crooked. I sleep with them on and I use them for everything. So y'all, and FYI, every time I have this camera on, I really am like feeling my way through the video because it's not like I can't really see that good. Like I can't see far from me. I can see this right in front of me. My screen I can, so I guess I am far-sighted because I can't see from far away. But anyways, I use this little tiny radio and it's really fun. And the power was out for a long time, so I got to use it. And it has been a long time since I ever used like, wait, how do you turn this thing on? It has been a long time since I have ever used um a radio. Like it's been an extremely long time. I think I kind of like switched the batteries up or something, but it actually works. Let me see. Well, I wouldn't want to turn on the radio and then like literally a bunch of copyrighted songs start playing. And then like YouTube wants to like take my video down. But this is my cute little handy dandy radio. And this was really fun to use during the power outage because like I got to hear what was going on the FM stations and the AM stations. When I was using this radio, I was expecting to hear like R&B slow jams, Justin Timberlake and stuff like that. Um, and like there was no like amazing songs on Sunny 99.1. I was so shocked because like the times are really have changed a lot. And I'm Gen Z. I'm just more of a mature Gen Z, 24 in fact. Um but it's quite crazy how music have changed a lot, and it was a bunch of music that like I was unfamiliar with that was on the radio. And like even the rap, even like 99.9, the box wasn't all that. Like it was not giving. Like some of that rap music sound like whatever. And like I don't know. I'm just like I just feel like I'm just so stuck in my old ways sometimes. Like when it comes to like old cartoons and like old music sometimes. Like it's so easy for me to just stay stuck on the same six songs. Like it really is. And it had me thinking. I was like, TikTok and streaming platforms really have changed like music Seriously, because it's like radio is an afterthought. Like unless you're in your car, like ain't nobody listening to the radio like that, like that. I mean, it's good to do because they're probably giving away like tickets to concerts, which I remember I would try so hard. And when I was younger, I used to listen to the radio all the time, and just like hear people doing prank calls and stuff like that. But I remember one time like they were playing Adele's album and chatting, and it was really fun. And that was like a long time ago, probably like 20, maybe 2012 or 2013 or 15 or whenever she actually put that album out. Like it just feels like a long time ago. And it's so crazy how so many people on TikTok are acting like 2015 and 2016 was the like early 2000s nostalgia days. I mean, like, let's do the math. Okay. 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, it had been a whole decade since like the 2010s, but it's 2010s nostalgia, but it's not early 2000s nostalgia. Early 2000s like music and stuff is like from 2000 and like literally like 2000 or 2001 all the way to 2010 or yeah, 9 or 10 or 11 if you want to stretch it. I feel like 2012, and then afterwards we just went into just a whole different era that was so Tumblr-y, after 2012. That's what I feel is early 2000s for me. And oh my god, I missed the early 2000s so much. Kind of like I'm happy that things are progressing, and I'm enjoying like what's going on now, like as a people, other than the bad things that are happening right now. Because like I just am good at like looking at the positives in life, or at least I try to. And yeah, I was just shocked. One time they played Maxwell Pretty Wings so much long time ago. Like long time ago. They played Maxwell Pretty Wings like crazy. And I know that was a long time ago cuz like I'm pretty sure that was 20 years ago. Oh, Maxwell Pretty Wings was 2009. So yeah, that was a long time ago. But they played that song like it was a religion. Like, and I remember when I was younger, I was like, is this a religious song? Because it was like celestial. It's like, pretty wings, oh, pretty wings go around. Like, what? Like, and I would just like listen to the radio all the time. And, be jumping on the bed and stuff like that. Very girly and stuff like that. But, they played that song so much a long time ago. And yeah, the vibe was different. It's just that like on Sunny 99.1, instead of playing like older R&B songs, they played a lot of like Lady Gaga and 2010 songs and Kesha and stuff like that. And like we were in the dark and we had like our radios on and stuff like that. My mom was like, what is this? Like, because she never understood Kesha when Kesha was a thing. But I personally love Kesha. But, like, I understand the pain, though. Because it's like, where's the fun, slow stuff? Like, on Sunday 99.1. And, they just don't got it no more. And I guess it's just, like, a sign of the times, I guess. Because, yeah, like, life is changing and progressing. And, like, the older songs back in 2012 and 10 was like 90s or early 2000s R&B or pop. But now, when you go on the Sunny 99.1 and throwback radio channels, it's more like older songs. No, it's more like older songs but like really new, like Kesha and Lady Gaga 2010s, 2017. And it's like, what? That was just like a few years ago. Like, I literally have changed so much since 2017 and 2018 and stuff like that. Like I am not the same person that I once was at all back in 2018 and all that. But it just feels like I'm well. Wait, what am I saying? But yeah, I'm definitely not the person that I once was, you know. And wait, I still don't know what I was truly saying. I kind of like lost my train of thought, but which happens all too frequently because I'm staying up a lot, grinding on those survey sites. And personally, I'm not trying to actually crap on like music and like artists that are making music right now, but like when I had the radio on, I was like, okay, just switching the channels. And then I was listening to BBC and I was like, oh, BBC. Like, not that I ever watch BBC like that. I mean, like sometimes I watch like BBC documentaries, but I came across one song that the radio introduced me to, or else I probably would have not like caught on to him yet, like a particular artist, and it was Somber, you know. And you know, I was listening to Somber Get Undressed, you know, as I was playing Euro Taxi Simulator one night, like when the power's off. And I was like, oh, this song sounds like oceanic and just like vibey, you know what I mean? Like, and I don't even know all the lyrics to it, but it's like, it goes something like this. I don't wanna get undressed with a new person all over again. I don't wanna kiss someone else's neck and have to pretend it's yours instead. And like, I really love the vibe to it. And like, if you have seen my second survey grocery haul, which like I make videos of how I'm making groceries at you know, at the store with just like survey money that I'm making off 5 surveys. Link in the description below if y'all want to sign up through my commission link and start, you know, having extra pocket money. I kind of got like off track because I had to like go do something really quickly. But basically what I was trying to say is that like I did discover Somber and like I've been obsessed with his music recently because it's like so amazing. And plus it's really funny and stuff like that, which is period. But it's so crazy how discovering music like through the radio like is such a thing of the past for me, because TikTok is like the main way to discover music. Like it changed music as we know it. And ain't nobody like, you know, subscribe to cable TV like that. It's like an empty bill. Like, unless you really want to be paying for cable TV, because you could just buy like subscriptions to like HBO and Hulu and streaming services and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically like my thoughts. I just want to know, what do you guys think about you know, how music have changed. And in this video, I was not trying to like crap on no artist, because like I like Sabrina Carpenter, I like Harry Styles, I like Taylor Swift. So what do you guys think about this video today? I would love for you to share your thoughts and opinions about, you know, the question, and actually like give your like food for thought when it comes to this topic. And I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. And I will check back with y'all later. And bye bye. And don't forget, like, go find yourself a small little radio like this, because it was amazing during like the power outage and stuff like that. So yeah. Bye, everyone. So y'all, I just dropped some new merchandise, and I made some amazing cute new t-shirts and tumbler cups on my merch shop, which you can check out right now in my YouTube description, in the description box below. And if you're interested in supporting me and supporting the channel and supporting the brand that I'm building, then check out my merch shop and enjoy like the t-shirts or tote bags or tumbler cups that you really like. Other than that, enjoy the video.